One master masala and two completely different mind-blowing dishes. Today we're prepping a single fresh masala paste that doubles as an intense thick coating for a whole show-stopping Tawa Pomfret and transforms ordinary tofu into a gourmet restaurant-style masterpiece. Zero flavor wasted, double the reward. Let's do this. Drop in soaked dried chillies, garlic and onion and a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Blend into a smooth paste and remember to reserve some for the next recipe. Season it up with salt and squeeze in a generous amount of juice from half a lemon. Swap that lemon for white vinegar if you want an extra sharp tangy kick. Blast it smooth, no extra water needed. Bring in your clean pomfret and cut deep diagonal slices right across the body so that the fiery flavor can penetrate deep into the bone. Pack the masala thick over the skin and push it right into those cuts for max flavor in every single bite. Don't skip the cavity. Pack that masala deep into the fuse. Then whole fish from the inside out. Marinate for 15 minutes. Get the tawa hot with a splash of oil and slide that marinated fish right in. Listen to that sear. Sear undisturbed on medium heat for 4 minutes before flipping sides. Press down gently with a spatula to make sure every square inch gets that direct heat and a perfectly even sear. After 8 minutes of searing, keep the fish aside. Spoon the leftover master masala straight into the same tawa, letting it fry right in those glorious fish juices. Once that oil begins to separate, slide the fish right back into the sizzling pool of flavor. Give it 2 fast minutes on each side to let the fried masala lock onto the fish and absorb all that extra richness. And just like that, your fiery pan-seared pomfret is ready. Let's dig in. For me, nothing beats pairing this fiery fish with a hot bowl of plain white rice, pure comfort. Up next, a delicious crispy masala tofu tadka using that exact same master masala. Remember the masala we reserved earlier? All we need is 1 to 2 tablespoons of the tangy mix. Slice up 2 blocks of firm tofu into thick uniform slabs. Heat up the tawa with a splash of oil, then smother each tofu slice in that rich masala one at a time before laying them down. Cook for 3 minutes each side and drizzle a little extra oil in between to get that ultra crispy gold sear. In just 7 minutes, our tofu is perfectly done. Now make the tadka with just mustard seeds and curry leaves. To sizzle, finish it with a pinch of chili powder. Pull it off the heat and give it a quick swirl. Rush the sizzling tadka right over the seared tofu. You can devour this crispy tofu just as it is for a stellar snack or pair it with some warm white rice for an effortless, comforting meal.